It's become something of a tradition to stop along the way to an epic flying spot or a meet-up for a McDonald's breakfast. But sadly, there's no flying right now, and no McDonald's either. So here's how to make your own egg and cheese McMuffin at home in about 2 minutes. All you need is 1 egg, an English muffin, some grated cheese, a bit of salt and pepper to taste, and a mug. Crack the egg into the mug, throw in some cheese and give it a bit of a mix. Make sure you pop the yolk or it will explode in the microwave. Season to taste. Slice your muffin and then whack it in the toaster. Pop the mug into the microwave and cover it with a plate because eggs do have a tendency to explode. Set for a minute. Loosen it with a knife and then put it all together. Look at that. Delicious, authentic egg and cheese McMuffin. And it tastes great. Stay tuned, stay home, and above all, stay safe. Catch you later.